Hey everybody! Oh wow, today I got something super adorable for all of us. Make sure you're subscribed and let's go check it out. Aki!
Yes, Macy.
Aki, look what we've got to open today.
Oh, wow. Hairdorables, big hair, don't care. Cool.
It is cool, Aki. It is cool. There are 36 dolls to collect in Series 1 and I want to collect them all.
Do you, Macy?
Oh yes, I think it will be awesome. And there are 11 surprises inside. Can we open it up, Aki? Can we open it up?
Of course we can, Macy.
Oh, this is the part I love.
I know. It's going to be fun. Well, it says pull to open.
Pull it, Aki, pull it.
Okay. Oh, ooh. Wow. Oh, wow. Cool. Look, it's like a desk. And it says Hairdorables. Lots of pom-poms. Wow. Oh, look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 surprises. And it looks like there's another surprise in there. Wow, super cool.
Oh, it really is, Aki. Super cool.
Oh, look. We even have a little carpet.
Wow, it's so cool.
These are the different dolls in the series. And it looks like each doll has different hairstyles. Here's Noah with very different hairstyles. And Bella and Kat and Skylar and Kaylee and Willow. Wow. Wow, lots of dolls. Oh, cool.
Let's open it up, Aki. Let's open it up.
Okay, let's check out what's in box number 1.
Oh, super exciting.
Oh, wow, look. It says just my style. Let's see what we've got.
What we got, Aki?
It looks like we've got a little hair comb and some Hairdorables stickers.
Cool. Let's open the next one, Aki.
Okay, what is in box number 2? Oh, bit of a squeeze. Oh, it says love is in the air.
Oh.
Right, what have we got? This looks really cool. It's a pair of roller boots.
Oh, wow, Aki. That is super cool.
Really is. Okay, what else have we got? It says peel and fold and then you have a phone. Right, let's see if we can do this.
Oh, cool, Aki.
Oh, look. It's a little mobile phone. And look at the back, it's got a big love heart on it. And there's the front. It's 10:33.
Cool, I love it. Let's open the next box, Aki.
Okay, yeah. Box number 3. Ooh, it says there's more in here.
That's funny.
It is. I think it's meant to say there's more in here.
Exactly, Aki. That's the whole point.
Right, what have we got? What have we got? Ooh, wow, we've got a very big lollipop.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Yes, and I think it's another sticker and it says braids rule.
Cool, lots of lollipop. Okay, Aki, the last box. What's in the last box?
Right, big box, very big box. Ooh, look, it says Queen of Curls.
Oh, super cool, super cool. Queen of Curls. I wonder what's in there.
I wonder. Hey, let's open it up. Oh, wow, it's another sticker and it says Team Cuteness. And look, it's a hairpiece. It's a lovely baby blue hairpiece with a clip. It looks like clouds and a red kind of rainbow.
Ooh, I wonder who it's for.
Shall we find out?
Oh yes, please, Aki.
Right now. Oh, it says, let's see what's in here. Oh, I think it's our doll.
I think so.
Wow, isn't she adorable?
Oh yes, Aki.
Oh, wow. Look at her beautiful hair. Oh, it's amazing. She's lovely. Okay, let's take a closer look at her and get her dressed.
Oh, I'm super excited.
Me too.
Who did we get, Aki? Who did we get?
Well, I think we got the signature look of rain. Rainbow.
Oh, awesome.
Isn't she lovely?
Oh, Aki, she really is. Look at her hair. Look at her lolly. Look at her roller boots. Wow. Oh, look at the rainbow. I love her, Aki. I just love her.
She is lovely, isn't she, Macy?
Oh, yes. Oh, and look at her blue hair from the clip.
Yes, it looks very cool.
Didn't I tell you? Today was going to be adorable. Let me know if you want me to open more Hairdorables. Leave me a message below. And we will see you again soon. Lots of love, everybody. Bye.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you soon.